So in the Discord chat, a user by the name of RR with an absolutely beautiful picture here of a dancing cat, so I had to accept his advice, said that I should start doing some meme reviews for physics, math, and OK Buddy PhD memes. He says he likes the last one, but I want to review. I want to see what people are posting in physics memes and math memes. Make sure they're up to the quality that I think memes should be. Me when my friend uses the wrong angle to solve for W equals FD cos theta. That's not how the force works. Very funny. But I'm smart, so I never mess up this angle. And if you knew your stuff, you wouldn't do that either. So this meme is a 3 out of 10. Small brain. You have one formula here for the electrostatic force. Another formula. This is the high school formula that most people in high school are probably used to seeing. Then you get into this stuff and it's just a disaster and your life starts to fall apart and you start doubting yourself for a little while. And so I am better than you. Well, you know, you've done something. So I give this meme a 4 out of 10. When you toss a coin 5 times in a row and you only get tails straight away. I don't know what this means. Someone's going to comment on this video and be like, how do you not get this meme? I don't understand this. I don't see what's going on here. So I give this meme a 0 out of 10 for nonsensicalism. Frictions, physics teachers. Literally ignore friction. Not in my videos. As you know in my videos, I don't ignore friction. So in general, this is a 9 out of 10. If this were directed towards me, 2 out of 10. I always deal with frictions. Frictions rising from the grave here. It's they're full alive, made with mematic. Very nice. When Newton shows you his Newtonian mechanics, but you show him your general fermionic quantum field theories with global finite group symmetry G, focusing on the case of 2 dimensions in torus spacetime. Honestly, I'm a physics PhD. I don't even know what's going on here. I know that there's some math, there's some fancy stuff. I know Newtonian mechanics. I'm on par with Newton here. The future is now, old man. Yeah, the future is now, and nobody understands it except for like 5 people. So, naming your child after a fictional character. Hi there, Khaleesi. How was school? I hate you with every ounce of being. Name your child after a famous physicist. I am so proud of you, Erwin Rudolph Joseph Alexander Schrodinger. This is literally from my video. Go watch my last video. I swear the person who made this meme took this right out of my video.
Erwin Rudolph Joseph Alexander Schrodinger.
I looked up this name to put it in my music song, and I spelt it out like that. So, the Hague broker, whoever you are here, I want credit for this meme. I came up with this name. I looked it up, and therefore I came up with it. It was for my video. Teacher, how old are you? Me, 17. Teacher, then why did you write 13.8 billion years? Law of conservation of mass. I like that. I'm going to use this on my forms from now on. Is it 13.8 or 13.7? I don't know, but that's pretty funny, actually. That's a good one. I rate this a 8 out of 10. Gave me a good laugh here. Me when anyone says why can't I read this? Me when someone says anything bad about Richard Feynman. Angry. Okay, I don't get it. It's got a lot of upvotes. I think there's something I'm missing here. Okay, sure. Richard Feynman is a fine person, I'm sure, but okay. Oh, that's a swear word. Mathematicians, minus epsilon limit. It's cute, it's funny. I didn't laugh out loud. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for good effort. When a Taylor series meets perturbation theory. O of x squared, order of x squared, okay. Okay, you spent a long time editing this, I can tell. Good job editing. It's not funny though. I'll give it a 4 out of 10 for only the editing. Damn, Heisenberg looking thick here though. Look at that. Look at his face there. Is this Bohr? Bohr is Jerry and Tom is Heisenberg. Bohr's planetary model, Heisenberg's orbital cloud model. And the caption is quantum mechanics is impossible to understand. No, it is possible to understand. It just doesn't make you feel good, okay? Plague is raging in Europe. Newton, haha, colors. Okay. That 2 things were going on at the same time? Okay, alright. He's got a little color wheel. He's got a little expression. I don't know who this is. His friend. Very cool. You said something that happened. Alright. 1.7k. I give that a 2 out of 10. The world is a cruel and unjust place. There is no harmony in the universe. The only constant is suffering. Minutes later. Oh my god, calculus. Literally. Calculus is fun. It doesn't look fun. The picture doesn't make it look too fun. But you'll probably be like this for a little bit, like this guy, and then you'll be like this guy. You'll be like this guy, and then you'll be like this guy. Then you start to get it, and you'll be like this guy. And then you'll start to really hate it again, and you'll be like this guy. And then eventually, you'll kind of come back to being this guy. So I give this meme a 5 out of 10. He can do integration by parts in his head. That's impressive. Honestly, if you can do integration by parts in your head, like, these are the looks you're going to get when you say that. Party, like, hey, can I have a look at your assignment? Lol, no, make your own. Bro, can I copy your assignment? It is the last day of submission. Sure, bro, go ahead. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? I don't know. I feel like I would get this a lot more if I knew who this was. He looks like a George Washington type guy, but I know that's not who it is, so it's probably some mathematician. If air is a bad heat conductor, how does fire heat up a room? Could someone help me, as I really don't get this? Compared to good conductors, it's a bad conductor. And compared to bad conductors, it's not that bad. I love this. Why is this so funny? This is perfect. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. This is really funny. Alright, moving on to math memes now. We'll see what they got. Probably not as good as physics memes. They got, oh, look at all this. You forgot plus C. Ha ha ha. Trivial. Oh, the proof is trivial. You don't need to go through it. Oh, big equation here. All the constants. Sin x equals x. Ah, this is physics right here. This belongs in physics memes. Cos x equals 1. Beautiful. Look at that. E to the x. Yes, all this classic stuff. Become one of the most famous mathematicians in history. Die in some obscure duel. Galois. I heard about this. Well, what can you say? I mean, the guy had to fight to his honor, you know? I think the issue here is that he died in it, that this is like beforehand. If he had won, imagine if he had gone through and won the duel and then like proven the Riemann hypothesis or something. No, trigonometric functions only take real numbers as input values. Matrices go burr. What's he doing? What's going on here? Cos of 0 equals 1. Cos of 1 is it element wise? I don't get what's going on here. There's something weird. Cosine of a matrix, like, do you really have to do that? Do you have to introduce that to all of us? No, thank you. Me orders a real analysis, but oh, real analysis is gross. Real analysis book online. My email. Thank you for ordering from second sale on eBay. Your order of introduction to anal. Okay, all right. All right. I see. I give this meme a 7 out of 10. Guy looking at logs. Guy looking at logs. Oh, all right. I don't even know what to give. I don't even know what to say to this. The functional operator. What's going on here? The factorial root n times n minus 1 times n minus... Wait, where have I seen this before? Oh, times 0. Very cool operator you got here. Double, float, mathematicians. Look what they need to mimic a fraction. That's funny. That's a 9 out of 10 right here. That's a good one. It's funny because doubles and floats are used to represent numbers in code, but all the time it's just rational numbers, and rational numbers are just fractions. Look at these memes showing up again. It was like stolen. Oh look, stolen from physics memes. How dare they? How dare they take physics memes and put them in math memes? Absolutely pathetic. Sin x, cos x, tan x, trigonometry students, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Poor other functions. Poor X-Men guy. That's how I feel when I'm these functions sometimes. Linear formula. X equals minus b over a. Quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus or minus root b squared over minus 4ac over 2a. Classic. Cubic formula. Looking kind of gross there. Cubic formula. Quartic formula. Looking worse. Quintic formula. Okay, no solution here. And there is no solution here. Good meme. All right, thank you for watching today. I hope you got a few laughs from some of these memes. I think they're all right. I think I might start reviewing memes every week. I don't know. We'll see what you guys think. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.